Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. قد خسر الذين قتلوا أولادهم سفها بغير علم وحرموا ما رزقهم الله افتراء على الله قد ضلوا وما كانوا مهتدين. Translation: Indeed, lost are those who killed their children in foolishness without knowledge and made unlawful what Allah has provided for them, attributing false lies to Allah. They have indeed gone astray and are not among those who followed the right guidance. In the previous ayahs, we studied that the mushrikeen in Makkah, under the influence of the thoughts given by their devils, did many things that were big crimes, that were big sins. Among those, they killed their own children, thinking that they are doing something good. They made things haram on them that were originally halal by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They were made halal by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but they made them haram just by their own thinking and by the thoughts of the devils. And they did all that, forging lies against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and attributing false lies to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that is the biggest crime. So doing all these things that they did not gain anything even in the world caused the wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, caused the displeasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and will result in the painful punishment in the hereafter. These people are definitely gone astray. These people had definitely left the straight path. These people had definitely left the truth, and these peoples were not guided. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us do only those things that will get your pleasure. Oh Allah, keep us away from everything that may cause your wrath and your displeasure. Oh Allah, connect us with the truthful and pious people and make us among those who continue to go on a straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum.